Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Amazon Associates to your blog with SiteStripe, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Amazon Associates to your blog with SiteStripe, start by logging into your Amazon Associates account. Once logged in, navigate to the top of the page where you'll see the SiteStripe feature. If you don't see SiteStripe, check your Amazon Associates settings to ensure it is enabled. Now, browse through Amazon and locate the product you want to promote. Once you find the product, look at the SiteStripe toolbar at the top of the page. Click on the Get Link button in the SiteStripe toolbar. You will see options for different types of links, including text links, image links, and text plus image links. Choose the format that best fits your blog's design. For a text link, simply click on the text option to generate your link. You can customize the link text if desired. Copy the generated HTML code or the short link provided. Now, head over to your blog platform. If you're using WordPress, navigate to the post or page where you want to insert the link. Switch to the HTML or text view in your editor. Paste the Amazon link code where you want it to appear on your blog. If you opted for a simple text link, you can paste it directly as well. Make sure to format the link properly to match your blog style. After inserting the link, save the changes. Preview your post to ensure the link works correctly. Once satisfied, publish the post on your blog. Monitor the performance of your links through your Amazon Associates dashboard. By following these steps, you can seamlessly connect Amazon Associates to your blog using SiteStripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.